Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trupti and you're watching me. Oh, what else? Thank you so much for all the love for the previous video, guys. Guys, food takes us places. From America to London to Mexico to Italy. And also some places Indian. So today's recipe is inspired from down south, Tamil Nadu. We're gonna make Tamilian chicken and omelette curry. This recipe is from Chef Thomas Zacharias. Let's begin. Here we have taken 500 gram chicken, 3 potatoes, 3 tomatoes, 2 big onions, all thickly sliced, red chili powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, dhana jeera powder, and here I have soaked tamarind in water for 15 minutes. So I have got tamarind juice over here, discarded all the solid bits. For tadka, we have taken cumin seeds, mustard seeds, curry leaves, green chili slit, red chilies, salt for taste, coriander finely chopped. This is green ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 2 eggs and coconut milk approximately 250 to 300 ml. Season chicken with salt and keep it aside for 15 minutes. We have to heat the tawa and oil. Once tawa is hot, we'll sear the chicken from both the sides. Once it's nicely golden brown, we remove the chicken. Here we don't have to cook it entirely, we just have to sear it. In the same pan, we caramelize the onions because we have all the beautiful fat left from the chicken. So we caramelize it on a slow medium flame. Now we season onions as well. We season as it adds extra depth to the flavors. We have to keep stirring it constantly, and now we'll shift it into the bigger kadai because we also have to add other ingredients. Once onions are nicely done, we'll add tomatoes into it and we'll season tomatoes as well. And we have to cook it properly. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes till the tomatoes are nice and mushy. Here we have to add our GGG paste, that is ginger, garlic and green chili paste, about 2 tablespoons. We have to cook it well. Now we'll add all our spices: turmeric powder, black pepper powder, dhana jeera powder. I like it more, so I will add more, and red chili powder. Mix all the spices properly and we'll cook it out for another 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's nicely done, we'll add potatoes and we have to mix our potatoes properly, nicely coat it in the masala and also add water if needed. Simultaneously we'll make our tadka. We have to heat oil, add mustard seeds. Once it starts to splutter, we'll add cumin seeds, red chilies, curry leaves and green chilies. Give it a nice mix, guys. Be very careful over here. We'll turn off the flame and we'll add this tadka into our masala. Give it a nice mix, guys. And now we'll add a beautiful creamy coconut milk over here. Look how delicious. Now we'll add the chicken, mix it properly, and we add 1 teaspoon sugar over here to balance out the flavors. Mix it well and we have to cook it till the potatoes and chicken are nicely cooked. I'm making plain omelette over here, simple omelette. Once the curry is nicely cooked, we have to add the tamarind juice over here. We have to taste it and add more if needed. Give it a nice mix and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Guys, finally our Tamilian chicken omelette curry is ready. Let's dig into it and taste how it is. Some chicken and some omelette. It's yum, guys. The creaminess from the coconut milk is and all the flavors is just too delicious. Thank you so much for watching the recipe. If you like the video, hit the like button below and please try it at your home. It's really delicious and let me know in the comment section below. Please share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe my channel, guys. I come up with new videos every Sunday, so you can also click on the link bell icon below so you'll be notified every time. Until next time, bye bye, take care, peace and love.